Hello, welcome to Focus Flicks. In this video, we will try to discuss about how to modify column in Oracle database. So let's get started. Alter table employees, modify column phone number and the data type. Yes, this is the command for modifying the column in Oracle database. Press enter. So table altered, and so we modified the column in Oracle database. In this here, I have mistakenly written that column. So modify column name is phone number and the data type default 0. Okay. So table altered, hence the execution completed. So that's how we see that how to modify column in Oracle database. So if you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe Focus Flix. Thanks. Thanks for watching the video.